Maintenance work orders. I'll now walk through maintenance work orders in the Konexial Tower. Under the Maintenance tab, select Work Orders. Here, you can view all existing work orders and filter by asset, status, category, priority, or facility. Selecting a work order allows you to view details such as status, assigned schedule, checklist items, documents, and full history from creation through completion. Creating a work order. To create a work order, select Create. Enter the asset, select whether it is corrective or preventive, and assign a priority and facility. You can assign a technician, add notes, and define checklist items. You may also add parts, attach documents, and set a schedule with start and estimated completion time. Once complete, select Create, and the work order will appear in your list.